New to our inventory is this show-stopping 1968 Mustang convertible. This is a beautiful car from bumper to bumper, rotisserie restored. We're gonna go around it, show it to you guys, and see how this thing goes down the road.
Yeah, beautiful paint on this. Just absolutely stunning. I love the wheel combination also. They went ahead and went with a 17-inch American Racing torque thrust. A lot of times I always go with the 15 to put some race white letters, but I think I'm gonna start mixing it up a little bit.
Yeah.
Engine compartment is, you pop the hood at a car show, I mean, this thing just looks awesome.
Yeah.
Great detail, beautiful paintwork. It's got the deluxe hood on it as well, and both of the turn signals work perfectly. Power steering, power disc brakes up front. Really, really nice. Nice set of headers there as well. The restorer went ahead and did the correct color of hood springs on it. Top of the inner fender aprons are perfect. The starter solenoid. It looks pretty much like everything was brand new on this car. Aluminum radiator, fan shroud, keeping this thing cool.
It's something a little different on this car, but it's really starting to grow on me, and I really kind of like it. Is the stripe package on the hood and trunk.
Yeah, they kind of went with a Shelby GT stripe package. Top of the fender, top of the hood lines up very nicely. Brand new bumpers on it. The whole car was restored in 2018, and like I said, no expense spared restoration. Horse and Corral GT fog lights. Even the correct washer, the squirters are here. Wiper blades were replaced, wiper arms, windshield, chrome around the windshield was all replaced. I mean, they just didn't cut any corners. Bottom of the front fender is perfect, except for we do have a couple little paint chips. I mean, this car was driven, so it's got about 4 tiny little chips down there. Tire tread, there are the Toyo tires on it, the front disc brakes, American Racing rims. It does have the chrome decor on the bottom. I thought about putting the wheel well trim on it, but with those 17-inch, there's so much chrome there already, I thought I'd just leave it alone.
Are you an exhaust on?
Yeah. Really nice dual exhaust sound, and then especially coming off of that those dual tips with the little cutout. And you talk about a beautiful finish. I mean, Tim Buff, this car came in awesome, but Tim buffed it, and it has a awesome finish on it. Laser straight body. Dude, yeah, we gotta do a shout out. 1970 Mach 1. We've been working on it for 10 and a half years.
It's on the road. It's not done.
On the road.
I haven't seen that thing on the road since
No, it hasn't. I hope it has brakes. Yep. I had to give that one a shout out. 10 and a half years. That car right there is the reason I don't do restoration anymore here at Coyote Classics, and that we buy cars like this. And so should you, because you can, I think I got like $95,000 in that $70,000 car.
Exactly.
It's exactly what happens, you guys. So it's definitely a lot better to go out and buy a beautiful car like this 1968 Ford Mustang convertible just the way it is here. Let someone else do all that work. So again, I'm going to point out in the restoration. So we went ahead and brand new door handles, all new rubbers, all new felts, all new stoppers,
all new bolts,
and look
screws.
at all the screws and bolts. You know, it's just nothing was painted over. Rust-free door.
New striker too. You know, when they didn't
everything. Corner of the door up here is excellent, and that's what you get, Dalton, when you get a rotisserie restored nut and bolt restoration. Doesn't say that they're going to be perfect. I mean, it still has been driven, so you're going to have some little chips. I noticed a couple little things here. The worst part about the whole car.
It's on the other side.
Is it? Yeah. And the funny thing is, these aren't even metal. These are like, you know what I mean? So it's got a couple little paint issues, and no, it's not rust, because these are, I don't know, these might even be fiberglass here, or pot metal. But there's a couple little paint imperfections in here in that pot metal area there. Door panel, armrest base, handles, cranks, all that is excellent. The dash pad is beautiful. don't know, you don't usually see this kind of carpet, Dalton. It's that real kind of high dollar plush carpet in it as well. It's got the little 6-inch Pioneer speakers in the front. Brand new full console. It's in great shape as well. Wood grain wheel, Hornworks. Now the other thing what's really neat is this has got the factory tack and gauges. So it's got your factory tack here.
That is pretty cool.
Yeah.
Isn't it a 4-speed automatic transmission as well?
That's what the previous owner said, but I really don't think so. Fog lamp and top control are both there, kind of the factory switches. AM, FM digital radio. And here we do have, I don't know what the hell this is. Not quite sure what that is. Glove box is in excellent shape. Got the original owner's manual in there. They even went ahead and put the little stoppers, brand new stoppers in there. These pieces here are brand new. Pieces for the convertible top have been replaced. All the trim's been replaced. Seats are perfect. It's got the Mustang floor mats. It's got seat belts for 2 in the back. Again, and it's got the retractables. You don't ever see these retractables in these Mustangs very often. So that's an upgraded seat belt there. It's a black top. That brand new black top. It's power, works perfectly. You want to go ahead and put that up, D? That's good, Dalton. Glass back window, you guys. You can put it back down.
Put those back in.
Really nice top.
Yeah,
it looks like they went ahead and, yeah, all new pads, everything. As we go around it, they did a nice job here in the paint. This little buffing compound right in there. And there's a little, kind of a little rub through right here on the edge, and a little chip right here.
All the chrome on this car's awesome.
Yeah,
and the taillights.
Yeah, it's beautiful. Brand new taillights, brand new taillight chrome, new GT cap. Again, quality, quality, quality. Go to our website, coyoteclassics.com. Check out all the undercarriage photos. You'll see just how nice the floors and frame rails and trunk is. Inside the trunk has the nice full-size carpeted mat. Again, a couple more little paint chips back here. Just little tiny ones. Rock chips. Front of the quarter panel is perfect. They went ahead and replaced the 1968 little scoop there. Body lines line up excellent on the door. There's 2 tiny little chips right here as well. Bottom of the front fender, bottom of the door is excellent. Back side of the hood lines up perfectly right here to the cowl on the top of the fender. Top of the hood, top of the door lines up nice. Dual side mirrors. I think they went ahead and replaced a lot of, all of the gaskets here. A lot of the chrome and stainless around the wing windows and stuff is even perfect, isn't it? Here's the most important thing for a lot of us bigger people.
Oh, it's got tilt.
Tilt wheel.
That makes it nice.
Yeah, and that beautiful steering wheel on it as well. Both corners of the doors, inside, outside, front and back, are excellent. Seats are perfect, and they're comfortable. I mean, they're the low backs. They've had all new cushions in them. Your seat comfortable? Mm-hmm. It's really nice.
Starts easy.
Custom radio. We drove this car back 150 miles. Oh boy, little Beastie Boys.
Yeah, I haven't heard this in a long time.
Oh boy, not a very good sub. Not a very good subs in here.
Yeah, we need some subs.
Alright, so we have a good stereo though for, just no bass. Horn works, our tachometer works. Right now we're idling about 800 to 900 RPM. oil pressure's right in the center at an idle. Amp gauge works, gas gauge works, heater fan works. We already know the fog lamps all work. Checked all that stuff out. Wipers work, they need a little rain on them.
Yeah, they do.
I think. Here's another thing, guys, power steering. It's not a must for a Mustang, but it's awful nice. And you got that nice, like I said,
Full
brand new console, the shift, all that stuff is just perfect. With the seats, you know, got the new padding and stuff, you just sit higher. It just really feels good. A lot of Mustangs you kind of sit down in. It's a great car. It's got a great feel in the steering wheel. Little 302 4-barrel. It's got like a Holley 4-barrel in it. Transmission shift's great. Here's your brakes, dude. Brakes work perfect. No hands on the wheel. No pull left or right. And we also have a nice pedal here. What a nice car.
Yeah, it is.
Just absolutely beautiful. The visors are all nice and tight. Check the rear view mirror out. It's even like an aftermarket custom rear view mirror.
That's nice. Oh yeah, look. Here's your dome lights in this car. I just remember this.
No
you
shit.
click here, yeah,
Yes.
it's got lights on the bottom of the mirror.
I was gonna say I've never seen a mirror like that in a Mustang. I'll tell you that.
Yeah. That's a big selling point. Lights in the mirror.
It is today. You're probably right on that. I think you might be right on that 4-speed. I think you're right. I'm gonna check it out again. Check out these brakes. I mean, if you have to stop in a hurry,
You definitely can.
I think you're right.
Yeah. Let's see.
Yep,
Forward to
4-speed.
forward. Yep. I'm right once again.
You're always right. You're always right. You got that on tape. At 65 mile an hour, this car handles the road perfect. One finger on the wheel. I mean, you could jump in and drive this. We drove it home 150 miles, and you could drive it anywhere you want to go, you guys. I mean, it's just ready to roll. Power top, tons of power, a little 302.
You'll probably get pretty good gas mileage too.
Yeah, especially with that 4-speed. I mean, we'll check it one more time and just see kind of where we're at in 4th gear. Then check our RPMs once at 60, should we? It's an awesome cruiser. I mean, it's not a tire squealer. I'd say you could change the gears in it a little bit if you want, but it's a cruising car. We're at 2,000 RPM. Kick down. Alright, so we're at 60 mile an hour, we're pushing 2,000 RPM.
How about that?
1,000.
Yeah. Can't beat that.
She's not a gas guzzler.
No. About as good as a Prius, probably.
Damn right. A lot better than a Prius.
Yep.
A lot better looking too. So, great car.
All right, check it out on the website, CoyoteClassics.com. Subscribe to the YouTube channel. Always getting new stuff in. Thank you for watching.